Nandito kami ngayon sa sa Gare du Nord, yung malaking train station for intercity sa Paris. Papuntang Belgium, Brussels to siya. Nasa platform 13. So okay naman yung mga dito nag-a-assist kasi marunong naman mag-English. And madaming mga passengers.
Hello guys, just to keep you updated, I'm currently here in Gare du Nord, one of the main central train station here in Paris. Finally today, I'm going to travel to Brussels, Belgium after 1 day of cancellation with our trip because of the unexpected issues happened in the railway. So they decided to stop 1 day the trip going to Belgium. So now we are here.
So ito na nga guys, punta tayo sa number 2. Tinanong na natin kung saan tayo pwede dito banda sumakay. So ito yung mga train Eurostar papuntang Brussels. Dito yung sakayan actually papuntang ibang country, intercity. Kahapon kasi na-cancel yung natin, yung trip dahil sa bombing. So sa ngayon natuloy na tayo. Thank you Lord. So ganito pala sa mga bagong maglalakbay, travelers. Hindi siya bawal mag-video. So kailangan matanong lang kayo para hindi kayo mawala or hindi kayo malito. So ito yung mga pangyayari dito. Doon ako sa number 2. Number 3 kasi 2 eh. Sige, bye-bye. Okay, patayin na natin kasi magtanong ako. Bye-bye guys. So nandito na tayo sa loob ng train station. Papunta na tong Brussels sa Belgium. And ito yung itsura ng cabin natin. So i-guide naman kayo ng ng mga staff nila to put your luggage somewhere else and your seat number will be guided with you guys. Ito yung seat number 15, 115, 116, 111 and 1112. Ganito yung itsura niya sa loob. Ayan siya. May table, tapos may chairs. Pwede naman siyang i-open. Ayan siya. Na-open naman yan. Ayan, makikita nyo kung saan siya, ang destination. Kasi yung premiere yung kinuha nating ticket. So, yan. Nandito tayo. Yung sa cabin na to. Okay, thank you guys.
You know guys, what's my best advice is to travel morning time so that you will see the landscape and the view from France going to Brussels, Belgium. It's approximately 1.5 to 2 hours travel, and during my trip there's 2 times checking with some of the railway staff, checking our train ticket and our passport as well. So just keep it ready. Para ba silang mga conductor, nag-check ng mga ticket din. Actually guys, always my routine whenever I will reach in the main central station of that particular country, I'm going to book a hostel, then take a pass for the whole day. And going to the hostel, I have to put all my luggage. After that, taking rest for 1 hour, taking a bath, then immediately I will get down.
Kung nakikita niyo, meron naman siya lagayan niyo. May lagayan naman ng mga luggage dito. Okay. Pag halimbawa meron kang luggage, may lagayan. Ayan. Baka na tayo. So welcome to Belgium. We are in Brussels now guys. Hello te. Dali. So punta na tayo ng metro. So ayun na nga. Pababa na tayo ng metro station or train station. Papunta dun sa exit ng station mismo. We are in the train station here in Belgium. Kakarating lang natin. May checking daw. So okay lang. So, let's go. Check yata ng mga luggage at saka passport. Tara guys. Batayin ko lang siya. Kasi baka masita tayo, di ba? So guys, dito sa Belgium, pagbaba nyo ng train station. So, meron naman din, paglabas nyo din, dito sa train station na yan, makikita yung may mga ticketing area. Pwede ditong bumili ng ticket for going to different countries. Ayan. So, bukas na lang ako kasi naman daw daily meron naman daw merong ticket dito. May daily trip naman daw papuntang Amsterdam to different countries. Since Amsterdam ako bukas, Netherlands. So, dito na lang ako. Hourly daw may trip. So, remember, it's better kung hindi kayo plan sa sa trip nyo, na lang kayo walk-in yung ticket. Para at least alam nyo kung anong oras kayo aalis or hindi kayo naghahabol sa oras din, ma-enjoy nyo yung place. So ayan mga approachable naman sila, mababait naman yung mga nandito staff. Marunong mag-English, mga Inglesera. So lalabas na ako dito ng train station kasi mag-rent ng hotel para makapag-ikot-ikot na ako, syempre. Ayan, may mga restaurant naman din. At may mga signage naman, mabilis siyang matuntun. Ayan. At saka dito, tingnan natin kung anong meron dito sa pila na to. Magtatanong tayo. Ayun, may bentahan din pala dito ng ticket
By the way guys, I have unlimited internet connection and it's 5G. I bought it Holafly eSIM and I am unlimited and I can use it wherever I will go in the whole Europe countries or Schengen countries. It's unlimited for 1 whole month.
So guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa labas ng train station ng Brussels in Belgium. At ito yung nila train station. For local sa tram. Ayan So tingnan na lang dito yung yung mga location kung saan kayo pupunta. So pupunta tayo doon, bibili tayo ng ticket para magamit natin sa tram. Diba? Ayan yung nila train area. Taxi. May bus. Pasok ulit tayo sa train station. Sa baba daw, kuha tayo ng ticket. So guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa sa train station ng tawag nito, Brussels sa Belgium. So pupunta tayo sa Gare du Nord. And magre-rent tayo ng hotel doon banda sa area na yan kasi malapit sa city center. So baba na tayo. Akala mo alam yung lugar Kailangan lang talaga yung dito sekreto. Yung secret dito para malaman mo kung saan ka pupunta, tanong ka lang ng tanong. Madami namang marunong mag-English, yung iba kasi hindi din. So yung karamihan sa mga kabataan marunong mag-English. Ayan, nandito na tayo. So we are here. This is the train station. So waiting for the train. And we will stay in or we will get down from the De Broecker. O diba? Ang hirap i-spell. So we're taking going to the place where I booked the hotel, and it's in the city center. And we are here now. The secret of our travel is to just keep asking people where are we gonna go. So at least if it's your first time in the location, so keep asking. So you will reach your destination. I'll keep you updated later, guys. Thank you. Bye bye. So ayun na nga. Saan na tayo napunta dito? Pero magtanong lang ng time kung asan na. Ayan, sakto naman ang nilabasan natin. Dito na tayo, maglakad lang daw tayo, exit. So nandito na yung hostel na nirentahan ko. Erasmus. exit. Okay. Medyo mahirap-hirap to ah. Mall pala ang labasan. So ito na yung ano, exit na talaga. Medyo mahirap-hirap tuntunin yung location, no? Pero okay lang. More travel, more learnings, and good luck. Bye-bye, guys. And welcome to the city center. We are here. Welcome to Brussels. O, diba? May hila-hila pa tayo. Perfect. Welcome to Brussels, guys. So, Theatre Royal din. Ito yung first destination ko actually. Turn off muna natin. So, this is our hostel here. So, the living room. And we have here also the dining room. Hi. And that's for ladies, I guess. That way here. And billiards. If you want to cook your own food, so you can cook also here. There's a microwave, so you can wash. You can even cut your stuff there. And there is a refrigerator here if you want to put all your food. Then going up to the room, so it's privacy, so I don't need to show it to you guys. And let's go up to the room, guys, and let's see the condition there. And it's very neat and clean. See? At least you can save money. And there are lockers as well. You don't have to worry about all your belongings because there are lockers from here. So it's too wide, it's too big. See? And yeah, you can put all your luggage in there, and also just have your own lock so that it will be safe, so you can lock it all. So that's it. I'm here. This will be a hostel for backpackers, travelers, guys. So there's no people from here. I think they are going out. So that's it. It's a shared bathroom, and yeah, it's neat and clean. Good day, guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye.